Allah, in the morning I start each day by taking a moment to bow and pray. I start with thanks and then give praise. For all your kind and love, give praise for all your kind and loving ways. Today, if sunshine turns to rain, if a dark cloud brings some pain, I won't doubt or hide in fear, for you, my Allah, are always near. I will travel where you lead. I will help my friends in need. Where you send me, I will go. With your help, I'll learn and grow. Hold my family in your hands as we follow your commands, and I will keep you close inside until I crawl in bed tonight. Until I crawl in bed tonight.